Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Kitty, and today's video we are doing a DIY shaving cream. So if you guys scroll down to all my old videos, I had actually bought these for this particular video but completely forgot to film it. So here we finally go. So to make this shaving cream, you need half a cup of shampoo, 1.5 cups conditioner, 5 tablespoons of lotion, and 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, which I already have right here. So let's begin. I'm gonna get all this out of the way. I also have a measuring cup, a mixing bowl. So let's just pour and the coconut oil is already melted. If it's not, the one you have isn't melted, you're supposed to melt it to do it. Okay, so here we have half a cup of shampoo, 1.5 of conditioner. Whoa. How about I remove this cap? It'll make things easier. Ew. Oh, and you guys, it's best if you use the conditioner, this brand as well, if you're trying to do it from the dollar store. They sell these at Dollar Tree, but the day I went, they didn't have the conditioner in that brand, so I had to get this one, which is not that bad. Here's the half a cup, so 1.5 cups of conditioner, just to repeat that part. All right, and now 5 tablespoons of baby lotion. You can use any lotion, but I prefer baby lotion. So now we mix. So I recommend a whisk. It would actually make mixing a lot faster and easier. I'm going to actually pour this in here because it has a spout, so it'll probably make it easier to pour in there. So I'm not going to be able to get it all in there. I hope all of this fits in there. We'll find out. It doesn't look like it, right? Okay, so I'm going to put in here as much as I can. This is an old container for lotion, and I'm gonna see what I can fit in here. All right, I'm very messy, so wish me luck. Let's see where we're at. Oh, we've got space. Right now, so far, we're about here. So let's see. So it was actually perfect. It's right at the top. This measurement was the measurement I needed. And that's it. Whenever you guys are gonna shave, you just pump it a little bit and spread it on and shave your legs. So leave me a message. I'm actually probably gonna put like a cute sticker on it or something, just to label it, or not, or probably just leave it like this. So that was so quick and easy, and let me know once you guys try it what you thought of this recipe here.